Namaste. I am the Guru, Mahashay taken Bareja, and this is cute Billy the puppy Bareja, and he is my master because he rules my life. Billy and I had fun with the soccer just before, and now it's time to have breakfast. Yes, Billy, here you go. Everyone, at least both of us, like bacon and egg, and I like tomato. What else? Okay, Billy, let's see what do we have in our pantry. Sliced pineapple and sliced beetroot would have been better, but this will do me. Let's get the cooking started. You see this skin part? I don't relish it much. Goes in the bin. You know, Billy is very fussy eater. He only likes bacon and eggs, so this is for him. Of course, sliced beetroot and toasted pineapple slice would have been better, but for home cooking, you can play with whatever you got. Here is another one that I made earlier. No footage available. A tiny bit more bacon for Billy. This must be bacon and egg breakfast for two. And here is Billy. Here is Billy. Here you go, Billy. Right, how is it, Billy? Looks like Billy enjoyed this little snack. Actually, he already had his breakfast this morning, which was steamed chicken. I love hot chili sauce too, but out of stock, so this will do. Guess what? It's time for me to have my breakfast. You know what I will do. Or everyone says. Alright, I won't say. And what is Billy up to? What is Billy up to? You want to play? What do you want to play with? You want to play with your blanket? Where is blanket? There's no blanket? Okay, that's the blanket. Alright then. There you go. Here you go. You can have your blanket there. Ooh, not yet, not yet. There you go. That's Billy's blanket. Okay. Alright. Billy's happy? Right. That's nice. Alright, I said it. That's what you're waiting for, isn't it? What do you want? Yes, Billy? Oh, give me. There you go. again? I know. Oh my God, that's first time. What is this? What is this? Are you Sanjeev Kumar? Are you Sanjeev Kumar from Sholay?
गब्बर तेरे लिए तो मेरे पैर ही काफी हैं।
What do you want me to do? Oh, play. All right. Why do you want to play all day? All day. Play. Naughty what? Are you surprised? Very surprised? Very happy? Happy? I'm not happy. Billy, you are looking good. Okay, I'm going. Billy, bye. You keep sitting like that all day. Up to you, Billy. All right, let's get going. Okay, got it. Now it's gone. Say 1, 2, 3. Billy, say hello. Will you say hello? Hello. Good boy. Billy, hello. Good boy. Billy says hello. Okay, go on. Okay. Here you go. What? Happy? You got it? Happy? Billy's happy. Billy's happy. I forgot to add another one of my favorite ingredient. Can you guess what it is? Okay, Billy, here we go. That's bacon egg for you. Here you go. Do you have it, Billy? Sorry. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and comments are most welcome. Take care of self and all around you. Bye.